Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 47th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the differ, right? If you haven't watched that one, please look into that because those things are very important when we are learning about the Go related stuffs. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the recover, right? Recover is a Go built-in function, right? We can use that for get the panic related stuffs, right? Okay. Uh, that actually can be used recover from the panic, right? I will teach you regarding the more about the recover when you are doing the example, right? Okay, recover is the built-in function, right? I will add some print statement here, right? ChamiViews. Okay, then in here I will add some panic, right? This is a panic. Okay, what is the output now? After executing this line, this our program will be panic, right? Because we have manually generated the panic, right? Okay, then in here there's a inbuilt function called recover, right? We can catch those panic, right? Like in this, right? Recover must be called within the deferred function, right? That is a very important thing, right? We want to add the defer like in this way. In here we can use the recover, right? Like in this way. I will add if statement if I will get a new variable r, then there is an inbuilt function called recover, right? Using this recover function, we can identify there is whether panic occurred or not, right? How we can identify that? We can check this r value, r not equal nil. If this is happened, there is a panic happen, right? Okay, then we can add fmt.Println panic recover, and then I will add this r value as well. I will teach you what is that r value. Okay, now I will run this program. What is the output now? In here, now you can't see any panic logs, right? This first line run, right? Then this panic occurred, right? Just after the panic occurred, this deeper function activated, right? After that, when we are calling this recover function, right, it will get this panic message as the r value, right? In here we have print the r value, panic recovered. This is a panic. In here you can see that out, right? That is the meaning of r, right? We can get the error of that value, right? Okay, these things are very important, right? In here, if we had like hello after the panic, right? Can we get this output? We cannot get this one, right? Because when it occurs the panic, this our main thread will be not executed, right? Then we can't get this output, right? But in here, it will recover from the panic, right? We cannot get any panic, and application does not stop their code after the panic, right? It will recover, right? We can use this recover for several scenarios, right? We will teach you those scenarios in the upcoming videos, right? when we are calling the HTTP request, right? Likewise, we can use this one, right? For the moment, you want to know about the why we use the recover, right? How we can use that recover, right? Hope you got that one, right? By using the recover, we can avoid the aborting of the program, right? This is a very important thing. Okay. When we are, I will teach you one more thing as well, but this is also related to deeper, right? I will get a separate function, right? mayPanic, right? In here, I will add these things, right, to that function. Okay. After that, in here, I am called into this mayPanic function, right? In here also, I will add some print value. This is mayPanic function, right? Okay. What is the output now? In here, it will first execute this one, right? And then it will go to panic. Then it will go activate our deeper function, and it will recover, right? After that, we can see this hello. What is the output now? In here, you can see there is no any panic logs, right? Normally, we can run our flows, right? But in here, we cannot get that output because there is a panic in this mayPanic function, right? Okay, if we did not add this one, right, I will comment this one and run. What is the output now? Now it will be getting panic and abort, right? We cannot get this output as well, right? But if we are adding this one, it will run normally, right? It will print that one. There's a panic there, that we want to know that one, right? To investigate the issue, but other things we can execute it here. Okay. Hope you got a clear understanding about the recover, right? This thing is very important. I will teach you more practical scenarios when we are learning about the some more concept in the upcoming videos, right? Okay. If you learn new things, please subscribe to my channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.